All right, check out this really nice sit-stand desk. This thing right here is really cool. It's very simple to put together, great instructions, and it does have 3 pieces that kind of fuse together. But yeah, you have really strong legs, and you have the motor up and under here. You have the control panel right here, and you could even set different presets. So this is the highest it goes, and we could say we want that to be preset 3. So we'll just go all the way up to 3, hold that down to like the middle area where it's like the perfect, like proper standing height for me. And I'll say maybe about right there. So I'll make that 2, so hold that down. And it's H2. This thing is really cool how they even have little hooks that you can install right there. That way you can, put your bag or your headphones or even just use it for cable management. I hate like loose cables. They even have like spots to put like your power cables or any monitor cables through there, just making it nice and hidden so you can easily do that. Really good quality table as well. I like the shiny, like a laminate look to it, and it's really sturdy too. A lot of other ones they'll be a bit wobbly when you have them up because of these really strong legs. Yeah, that helps keep it really sturdy. It does come with this little basket here too to just help all of your plugs in one spot, which is great because then everything kind of lifts up together, so you don't have to worry about everything flying off the desk if you go too high. But so yeah, it sits up nice and tall, so this is perfect if I wanted to work on something. It might be a little bit too tall for me per se, but that's what's great about being able to lower this thing down and just get it in the right spot. So I love that. Perfect for gamers, perfect for anyone that wants to like stand up and work instead of having to sit down all day. I love it. It's great for my workflow, and I can highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.